Anger is a natural human emotion, but when it lingers or becomes overwhelming, it can negatively impact our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Learning to release anger in a healthy, mindful way is crucial for emotional balance. Combining mindfulness practices with the healing energy of crystals, it can be a powerful tool in helping you release anger and restore inner peace. Here's my guide on how to do just that. Before diving into any practices, it's important to take a moment to understand why you're feeling angry. Mindfulness encourages us to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment. Instead of suppressing your anger or allowing it to control you, try to observe it with some curiosity. What triggered the anger? What physical sensations are you experiencing? And is there a deeper emotion beneath the anger? Is it hurt? Is it frustration? Fear? Taking a step back and acknowledging the emotion will help create space for your healing. This act of self-awareness is the first step in transforming anger from a destructive force into an opportunity for growth. Mindfulness and breathing exercises go hand in hand when managing strong emotions like anger. One of the best ways to ground yourself is to focus on your breath. Deep, slow breathing can help activate the parasympathetic nervous system. Now, this helps your body relax and move out of your fight or flight mode. Take a deep breath in for the count of 4, hold for 4, and then slowly exhale for a count of 4. Keep repeating this cycle for several minutes, focusing only on your breath. As you're breathing, let go of any tension in your body. Notice how this anger will start to dissipate with each breath. It will allow you to create a sense of calm and presence. Crystals are wonderful tools for enhancing mindfulness and healing energy. Many crystals are believed to have the ability to absorb negative emotions and help release pent-up feelings like anger. By holding, meditating, or placing these crystals in your environment, you can begin to shift the energy and find peace. Here are a few crystals that I recommend to help release anger. One is amethyst. Amethyst is a calming stone. It promotes peace, emotional healing, mental clarity. It's said to ease the mind, soothe the stress, dissolve anger. If you're using amethyst for anger, then hold it in your hand while breathing deeply and just focus on your breath. Visualize the crystal absorbing your anger and transmuting it into calm and peace. Rose quartz. It's known for its gentle, loving energy. It will help to soften the intensity of the anger and replace it with compassion and opening your heart to forgiveness. With a piece of rose quartz, hold it on your heart chakra, just in the center of your chest, and take those slow, mindful breaths. Allow the energy of the rose quartz to gently melt away any hardness or resentment that's sitting in your heart. Black tourmaline. Now, this is a grounding and protecting stone that can absorb negative energies, including anger. It's known for its ability to clear negative emotions and create a sense of protection around you. When you use black tourmaline for anger, hold it in your hand and close your eyes. Visualize the crystal acting like a sponge, soaking up all your anger and replacing it with grounding, calming energy. You can also place a black tourmaline near your feet or place it on your root chakra and help yourself by grounding, balancing and securing your system to stay calm. Citrine is a stone of positivity, personal power, and it can often transform negative emotions like anger into joy, optimism, clarity. Place your citrine near your solar plexus, just above your stomach, to help clear anger and promote a sense of empowerment. Just hold the crystal, focus on the breathing, and allow the warm light and happiness into that area where you're feeling anger. Once you've chosen a crystal, grounding is an essential practice to truly, fully release anger. Grounding connects you to the earth, stabilizing energy. It helps you feel more centered and calm. So a simple grounding meditation. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, hold your chosen crystal in your hand or place it by your feet, depending on which one you're using. Now imagine roots coming out from the soles of your feet into the earth, rooting you, grounding you. Visualize the anger leaving your body, flowing down your legs, into your roots, into Mother Earth, where she will transform this energy into positive energy. Feel yourself becoming lighter, releasing this anger into the earth and the crystal. Let it absorb the negativity, for it is not serving you and it will never bring you any joy. Take as much time as you need. You could even do this daily to keep your energy balanced and prevent the anger from building up. Another way to release anger is journaling. By writing down your feelings, you can help process the emotion and bring clarity to what's causing it. As you write, you can focus on expressing your anger without any judgment. You can also hold any one of these crystals to help when you're doing it, and you can always burn it afterwards. As a final thought, releasing anger through mindfulness, crystals, journaling, you regain balance and calm. By combining deep breathing, crystal energy, grounding practices, and of course journaling, you can not only release anger, but will transform it into a more positive, peaceful energy. Remember, anger is a natural emotion, but it's how we choose to handle it that determines its impact on our lives. With these practices, you can always bring yourself back into peace, clarity, calm, no matter what life throws at you. If you enjoyed this how-to, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you never miss an episode. If you're eager to take your learning further, I'd love to invite you to join my monthly subscription. Simply follow the link in the show notes to become part of a vibrant community where we dive deeper into crystal healing techniques. Through guided online tutorials from me, you'll have the opportunity to practice crystal healing in the comfort of your own home. Plus, receive ethically sourced crystals delivered straight to your door every month. I'd be thrilled to have you join us, and I look forward to seeing you in the community. And until next time, love and light.